This spring, instead of using the usual colors from your shelf, let's try mixing up some new custom colors. We'll be using Ecotex water-based mixing system for this project. You can find our mixing system links plus other useful info on our website. Let's start with 𝗬𝗲𝗂𝗂𝘅𝗁𝗂𝗂𝘂, a pastel green color. I'm going to be making 3 ounces, so about 85 grams. When you're mixing colors, it's really important to always zero your scale after each addition. Once the container is on the scale and it's reading 0, we can add 74.38 grams of mixing white. Then zero the scale again and add 9.94 grams of yellow. Then zero the scale one more time and add 0.68 grams of reflex blue, trying to get as close as possible to the amounts. Now mix thoroughly so the colors blend nice and even. Our next color is 𝗬𝗲𝘅𝗁𝗍𝗂𝘂. Place your container on the scale and zero it out. Now just repeat the same process. Add each amount really carefully and stir until it's all mixed. Now we're going to mix this bluish marina color, Pantone 658. Add your container, zero the scale, and then begin with the white. Then blue, and last, black. Finally, we're going to mix 𝗬𝗲𝘅𝗁𝗍𝗂𝘅𝗍𝗂, a warm melon tone. Container on the scale, zeroed out, and then we add the white, followed with the yellow, then zero the scale, and add a small amount of warm red. You'll notice the color really come through as you mix. And here they are, 4 brand new custom colors ready for printing. Make sure you tune back in for part 2 of the series where we'll print a shirt using the colors we just mixed. And check out our channel for more tutorials and screen printing tips.